Welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Watching. Today we're just having a simple dinner. We got
cooking dinner for tonight, pork and green beans.
some pork stir-fried green beans and
Soup with chicken with sayote.
And of course,
Rice.
Rice for two.
Rice is life.
Rice for two. Oh, yeah. Thanks for coming and watching our vlog.
It's good.
Yeah. Let's try.
I like that.
Yeah, garlic and ginger, soy sauce. Can't go wrong.
Hi guys. We want to introduce ourselves. We're new in this vlogging thing. We just wanna showcase a little bit of our daily life and cooking. We're not real chef, we're not experienced chef, we're just home cooks. So we're not trying to educate people how to cook. We're just, nagluto lang. Luto lang kung anong kinakain namin. I'm from the Philippines, so I'm craving for those food na I grew up eating. Pero wala dito sa Amerika. Kaya noon, anytime gusto ko kumain ng suman, and may suman na. Gusto ko kumain ng tinola or kahit ano, isda. Kasi sa ang kanto may nagtitinda ng mga pagkain. Dito wala. Kaya ayun, natuto tuloy ako magluto pero hindi masyadong masarap. Pero masarap na rin sa akin. Kaya ang suman. Sa Pilipinas, hindi talaga ako nakasubok gumawa ng suman. Dito na lang. Hindi naman pala mahirap, pero mahirap din. Kasi wala ditong dahon ng saging. Pupunta ka pa sa Oriental store para bibili ng dahon ng saging. Kain tayo. You want some soup? Wanna try and move it?
Okay.
What else?
What's wrong? Eat. Enjoy.
Sana mag-subscribe kayo. Ano gustuhan nyo. Tapos
Spicy.
comment, like, share.
Bell pepper or
Ginger.
ginger?
There's a little half of the jalapeno.
Oh, no, it's already out one.
Huh? Too spicy?
Definitely cleanse your nasal passage, that's for sure.
By the way, guys, my name is Evelyn.
And I'm Glenn. Definitely props to all those vloggers out there because it's not easy running a camera and stuff like that. Yeah?
Yeah. We just started doing this vlogging last week.
That's my wife's been watching a lot of YouTube, or both of us actually. So we figured, well, might as well take the videos and put them on there, see if anybody's interested in watching.
We're even planning going to the Philippines next year, but you never know with this situation right now. The whole world. Kayo, kumain na kayo? I like this one that's not overcooked, crunchy,
Yeah.
or it's sweet.
Yeah, turned out good.
Yeah,
Oh,
half cooked. When it's not overcooked, it's sweet. Where's my water?
At least it was warmer out today.
Tomorrow, temperature tomorrow.
Good job.
You want to go to the Oriental store?
Yeah, I think the road's cleared out now. Had snow the other day, yesterday. And melted today, so at least make it easier to drive.
Hopefully that's it for the winter. No more snow. It's only
We
February.
can only hope.
It's only February.
Yeah.
Usually March is the snowiest month.
I don't want to shovel no more, that's for sure. I prefer a tropical blade, that's for sure. Ideally.
Yeah, but then that's typhoon too.
That's true too. You can't win either way, I guess.
Just enjoy wherever you're at.
Well.
Be fluid. Fluidity in life.
Yeah, there you go.
Wherever you're at. Make the most out of it. Too much rice. Put a lot of rice.
I don't think that's no problem for you.
Alam nyo guys, ang tagal ko na dito. Ang English ko ano pa rin. Bisaya pa rin ang dating. Matigas talaga ang dila. Pag Bisaya.
I haven't figured out the language yet. Few words.
Was delicious. Was delicious.
Sarap.
That's Tagalog.
Oh, Tagalog.
Ang Bisaya. Lami.
Lami?
Lami.
Lami?
Lami.
Lami?
Mi.
With the E at the end?
Lami. Like kanda. The diction is lami.
Lami?
Yung Tagalog masarap.
Definitely got to get the pronunciation properly in that language.
What's rice?
I should know that, I guess, but I don't.
Kanin. Kanin.
Kanin?
Kanin.
Kanin?
Mm-hmm.
Kanin?
Kanin.
Kanin.
In Tagalog. In Bisaya. Kanon.
Kanon?
Kanon. Loto.
Loco?
Loto.
Yeah.
So it's easy. Loto.
That's rice too?
Yeah.
Boy.
Could be kanon, could be loto.
Whoa. I'm confused already.
How about this? Beans. Batong.
Batong. Batong.
But this is Baguio beans. We call this Baguio beans. Batong is a string bean. But this is They call this Baguio beans. I guess they are from Baguio or named after Baguio.
Definitely a language you gotta learn when you're young, I think, because
And
it's hard to pick
then,
up.
how about the pork?
Not carne, eh?
Pork meat. Karneng baboy.
Oh,
But the
baboy.
the pig itself is
Carne
baboy.
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 I should know that one.
Not
Yeah.
baboy.
Oh.
Baboy.
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 Baboy. Baboy.
Baboy.
Oh,
Baboy.
not bad boys.
No, not bad boy. Not bad boy.
Well.
One dessert.
What we got?
Dessert tayo, guys. Ice cream and strawberry and chocolate syrup.
Dessert. Like Sunday.
This frozen yogurt.
Can tell difference.
Lamig. Bugnaw. Malamig. Cold. Kaya minsan siguro sa mga luto ko in the future vlogs, baka sabihin nyo, hindi naman ganyan na. I'm just trying to recreate, or I'm just trying to, cook the best I can. Hope you subscribe and watch our videos in the future, and share and like
And comment if you have any
and
questions
comment
or
and no bashing. Good vibes lang.
hope you guys enjoyed watching. We'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night. I'll finish that ice cream.
Oh, you put a lot of syrup in here.
I want to say again hindi talaga ako kuka. Nagkukukan lang ako. Luto-luto lang yun. Alam mo na, pagkain Pinoy, simple. Kaya, ang format ng vlog namin talaga, lalo na sa akin, yung mga pagkain na I'm craving, na yun ang lagi kong kinakain, yung isda, gulay, lalo na gulay, sardinas, at saka karne, pero hindi ako masyado sa karne, lalo na medyo may edad na tayo. Bawal-bawal sa karne. More on gulay and fruits.
You
focus there.
What?
Your food.
Oh,
You already recorded?
well,